everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome to my channel bramblereid, and welcome back to all my returning subscribers. Animals are a great help when dealing with trauma.
In this week's art therapy session,
we will show you how to make paper-mache animal masks. As we focus on creating a cat mask, we aim to help you explore different ways to calm yourself down and lower your stress levels. Now, before we start, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, that you hit that notification bell, and you give the video a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment down in the description box. For this week's tutorial, you can also take the time to draw a cat mask instead of creating the paper mache if you don't have the supplies. Before you start, answer these questions. What do you want to get out of this week's art therapy session? Are you ready for change? What is my mindset about this week's topic? What causes me stress? What are the negative effects this feeling has on my life? What will I be missing out if I don't make the change? And what is my game plan after this tutorial to keep my stress levels down? When we pet a cat or any animal for at least 10 minutes per day, there is evidence that our serotonin, which is a chemical that boosts feelings of well-being, goes up. Your cortisol levels go down. Cortisol and high blood pressure is a result of stress and can lead to high cholesterol and hypertension. It is important to reduce your stress. As you're creating your paper mache, there are certain parts of this project that you can just take time and just massage in your paper mache, giving you a nice feeling of calm and relaxation. Take this opportunity also to do meditation before or after this tutorial. And if you need more slippage, you can add glue and water, or just plain water, and slide your fingers on your mask, creating your ears, your nose, and just taking time to release that stress. This is a good tutorial to do on your own or with kids, but make sure that it's very quiet. There's no stress around. To properly meditate, you want to ensure that you are in a position that you can stay in for a while, and it is to ensure that your full body is relaxed. If you wanted to be one of the first to view my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. If you wanted to tag me on any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me on, and I also have a Facebook page where you are able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description for all the additional information. Now that you know how to make the animal mask,
You can check out this tutorial next.
if you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.